We'll guide you through how to review a Stripe payment. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Stripe dashboard by going to dashboardstripe.com. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard page. Look for the Payments tab on the left-hand sidebar and click on it. This will take you to the Payments Overview page where you can see a list of all recent transactions. To review a specific payment, scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to enter specific details, like the customer's email or the payment amount. Once you've located the payment you want to review, click on it to open the detailed transaction page. Here, you'll find all the necessary details including the payment status, the method used, and any associated fees. If the payment is marked as pending or failed, you can see error messages or reasons provided by the bank or card issuer. For more information, you can click on View on Customer Portal if you need to see related customer details or activity. If you need to issue a refund, there's an option to do so right on this page. Simply click Refund and follow the prompts to complete the process. Make sure you review all the information carefully to ensure everything is accurate. That's it. You've successfully reviewed a Stripe payment. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.